So in this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to link your TikTok account to your TikTok Business Center account. So let's say you have more than three TikTok accounts, right? And you want to link all these your TikTok accounts to your TikTok Business Center so that you can be able to select any of these TikTok account as your ad identity whenever you're running an ad, or probably maybe your client, like you need to link your client TikTok account to your TikTok Business Center account so that you can be able to manage your client ads via your business center, right? So if you want to do that, it's very simple. I'm going to be jumping straight to the ads manager and show you guys how to go about it in a second, right? So the first thing you're going to be doing as usual is just to go to your browser, open a new tab and type a business.tiktok.com here. So once you do that, you're going to have a similar interface just like the one that you're seeing here. So all you have to do is the list of options by the left side of the screen, right? So scroll down to where you are seeing accounts. So click on account. So once you click on account, you see the list of accounts that we have here, right? We have a advertiser account, TikTok account, and also TikTok one account. So but then we're not working on advertiser account this time around, so we're going to be working on TikTok account. So you see that on our end here, no TikTok account has been linked to this business center yet. So all I'm about to do right now is to click on this add a TikTok account. So once I click on this add a TikTok account, then the next thing I'm going to be doing is to use the first option that says link an existing TikTok account. You see that we have two options here. So the first option is linking an existing TikTok account. Then the second option is create a new TikTok account. So since it is a TikTok account that is already existing, we are going to be using the first option that says link an existing TikTok account. So all I'm about to do right now is to go by the first option of this send the QR code. Then I'm going to click on new here. So once I click on new here, you see the permission level, right? Management account, which is recommended. So this means the person will have a full access to this particular TikTok account. That is what it means. So delivery ads. So for this option, this second option that says delivery ads, it means the only option that this person has over this TikTok account is just only to use it to run ads. So apart from using the TikTok account to run ads, the person do not have any other permission level anymore. So but then like TikTok rightly said here, this manage account is recommended, right? So we are just going to leave it on this first option that says manage account. Then leave every other option the way it is and click on next here. So once you click on the next, you see the QR code here, right? So all we have to do right now is just to scan this QR code with the phone that has your TikTok account that you intend to link to this business center. So all you have to do is just to open your TikTok app on the phone that you intend to use, then locate where you can scan the QR code on your TikTok app. Just try to scan the QR code, and once the scanning is successful, you will be able to link that particular TikTok account to this particular TikTok business center. So on my own, I'm actually trying to do that from my phone right now, but then it's so unfortunate that it is my phone and you guys may not be able to see that. However, if you follow all the procedures like I've said here, you're going to have similar results just like the one that you're about to see in a second, right? So I have done the scanning and the scanning is successful. So all I have to do right now is to click on this got it. So you see that a TikTok account has appeared here, right? Pilot FX. But before then, there's no TikTok account here, right? After I have done the linking, you can see that a TikTok account has appeared here. So this is what you need to know, or this is all you need to know when it comes to linking a TikTok account to a TikTok business center account, so that you can be able to use that TikTok account to run an ad from the TikTok business center effectively. So thank you, and I hope to see you guys in the next tutorial shortly.